Hello, it's Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Today is the birthday of one of the greatest teachers. Dr. Radhakrishnan was an inspirational teacher. A great teacher is not the one who pushes down content or knowledge down the throats of his students. A great teacher is the one who can influence, motivate, and inspire his students about the subject. I just attended a virtual Teachers' Day celebration function, and the chief guest at that function had a wonderful thing to say about the current times and how he correlated it with Eklavya from Mahabharata. Eklavya, back in the times, actually did virtual learning, something that you and I are doing nowadays. His teacher refused to teach him face to face, so he used the technology of those times and actually did and learned virtually. So let's become Eklavyas of 2020 and learn. I would also like to talk about another great teacher who was also a president of our great nation. Unfortunately, we lost him a few days ago on 31st of August, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee. Dr. Mukherjee actually started his career as a teacher. He was a professor back in the 60s. And in 2016, on this very day, on Teachers' Day, he delivered a beautiful speech, very inspirational speech. And he said, inspired teachers are the building blocks of a good education system. An inspired teacher links the individual goals of a student to the societal and national goals. Such building blocks are teachers actually. What a beautiful thing he said. Connecting an individual goal of a student to the society and to the nation and inspiring the student to work in that direction. I think this is one of the most important areas, teaching, and I call it learning facilitation. So in learning, there are three key roles, there are three key departments. One is a learning facilitator, one is the organization, and the third is the learner. All three have to collaborate and work collaboratively towards achieving these goals. On that note, again, to all the wonderful teachers of the world, happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.